We're just heading to see some condos. Yeah. How much are the condos? 2 million to 2.
Start 2 million.
And 2.5. So we'll see what happens. We're following the estate agent now. It's very exciting. We're in Jomtien, I think. Okay. Isn't that exciting? Yes, very nice. Looks really good here. Park the car and we're in business. Dusit Grand Park Condos. It's near Jomtien in Pattaya. Ooh, check the swimming pool out. This is really, really good. Look at that, sensational, straight outside your door. Have a look at this. It goes right around the hotel, or the centre of the hotel, right around the centre. Have a look at that. Sensational. Do a couple of laps of the pool. That's one of the best I've seen in Thailand. That is really nice. A little bridge going over the pool. Anyway, let's take a look inside and see what they've got to offer. This is the model of the complex. Pretty good model. This is a drone footage that I just bought myself a drone. Some of the closest landmarks around this complex are Pattaya Kart Speedway, just under 1 kilometre away. Jomtien Beach is supposed to be 2 kilometres away. Underwater World Pattaya about 2 kilometres away. The Outlet Mall in Pattaya 2 kilometres away. Pattaya Park Tower is about 2 kilometres away. Pretty close to everything, but I don't know what the transport's like getting to and from things around here.
I will help you. So this is Dusit Group project number 2, Grand Park. So altogether we have 6 buildings. Each building is alphabetically labeled. So we have A, B, C, D, E, and F. And we have altogether 980 rooms here in this complex. We have either a studio, 1 bedroom, or 2 bedroom. Like that. The gym, fitness center, and then downstairs sauna and steam room. And over here it's just a Laguna style swimming pool, very big, luxurious, and then it's also a saltwater system. Okay. We have the underground parking here, either side, and it goes all the way through. So you can drive all the way through to the building to the end here as well. Okay, so should we go see the room? Yes? Yes. Okay, fine. Let's go.
What are we going to look at now?
The rooms. So we have 3 types of rooms to show you.
Yeah.
The showrooms. So the swimming pool is around 150 meters long.
Yeah?
Yeah, it goes all the way around the complex. Yeah.
Okay.
Also, the sea salt system.
Saltwater system.
Yes. Salt. No chlorine, so it's better for the skin.
You think?
Yeah.
Have to have chlorine in it. It's got a small amount of chlorine in it.
TV, 24 hours.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah. We have the 24 hours security system as well.
Okay.
Every room is key card access.
Okay. How old is the complex?
It's about 2 years now. It opened 2 years ago.
How full is it? How much percent full?
95% full.
Ooh.
Like full, 95% full. 25%. This is 2 bedrooms, 62.92 square meters. So we have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
Okay.
Yeah, living room, dining room.
Wow, look at that.
price. You get the TVs as well, the fridge, the microwave.
Okay.
So that
Nice shower. Oh, that's really nice, that. How much is... So how much is this one?
This one, well, we have two views. If it's city view, it's cheaper.
Yeah.
If it's pool view, it's more expensive.
Yeah.
At the moment, pool view is around 5.5 million.
Okay.
City view is around lower, so like 4.3 million.
Okay, that's for a two-bedroom, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, this is the second bedroom.
Okay. Very nice. All furnished, all ready to move in. Nice shower. Yeah, it's a good shower. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
Oh, okay, how much is this one?
This one starts at 3 million.
Oh, 3 million. And what about, this is a view with a swimming pool, yeah?
Yeah.
And what about without a view with the swimming pool?
Yeah, 3.5 million with the pool.
Yeah.
Over that, around 2.9 starts around
Okay.
2.9.
Okay.
Ground floor.
Okay.
City view. Yes. You also get the sofa bed, the TVs, everything.
Oh, it's a lot smaller than the other one. No, it's livable. It's quite good. I think it's got the same bathroom. So. Aye.
This is the studio.
What's a studio mean?
It means it's just the bedroom and the kitchen together combined. In
Okay,
room.
one room.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we have the bathroom separately.
Oh, okay.
So it's 25.79 square meters.
Okay.
So it's kind of like just like a hotel, you know, with a
Yeah, yeah,
mini
yeah.
kitchen.
Okay. It's good.
Hotel room.
Okay. How much is this one?
It starts at 2 million.
How much is this one?
Starts at 2 million. Starts at 2 million.
Okay. Right. That's with a view of the pool.
Yeah.
And how much without the pool?
So pool is around 2.5 without the pool. 1.8. It depends on the floor level as well.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. A small toilet. That's okay. I mean, you know. Oh yeah, like you said before, it's about the size of a hotel room. It's okay. So you couldn't get much better than that. Look at that. Boom. What's your name?
I-beam.
What?
I-beam.
I-beam.
Yes.
Like iPhone, yeah?
Yes, like iPhone.
Okay.
But I-beam.
I-beam. Okay. That'll do. Where are you from?
I'm full Thai, but I came from England. I studied in England when I was 6 years old.
6.
Yes.
How long for were you there for?
Well, I'm 23 now, so since 20,
How long have you been back in Thailand?
for 2 months.
Jeez, you won't lose that accent.
Yeah.
I don't know if you have noticed, that's an island in the middle. The pool goes around it. Isn't that amazing? Really good. Talk about do a couple of laps.
Because she wants to know why I
Looks so good.
look
You
so,
look so good.
young. And I said I have the organic. And I do from the...
Me too.
Organic.
I much more organic.
You know that? Yes.
Tell you what, this pool with the slide looks entertaining. Might give that a go later. If I go right, oh, I didn't bring any to swim with, never mind. Check this garden out, it's in really good condition. They really do maintain this place very well. Yeah, the little island in the middle is in really good condition. Yeah, you can bring your children here, I guess, and let them run amok. Not too much, I guess. Yeah, that slide looks very entertaining. I mean, all the kids here, they're just really enjoying themselves. So, yeah, bring your children with you, I guess. I don't know, if you look around, everybody's got a smile on their face or headphones on. So it looks like it's a fun place to live in. Yeah, it looks like that slide's very popular. Oh well, maybe next time. Yeah, the condos are probably the best you can get in Pattaya, really. Yeah, they're expensive, yeah, but look what you get. I mean, wow, it's amazing. It really is. So if money's not a concern, or just everybody, I guess, you know, if money's not the top priority, it's a great deal, I think. It's very, very nice. I don't think you'd do better than this. Location, it's a very good location. It's, I mean, up to yourself. It's, yeah, there's cheaper around, but you know, if I thought well, let me speak English. I think if you buy here, you'd be very happy with it. Oh, go on, yeah, I'll film it. I'll take the thumbnail of it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Can you open the pool? Do you mind?
Yeah, of course, I will.
It's not very nice behind you.
Yeah.
Oh, go on, yeah, I'll film it. I'll take the thumbnail of it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Can you open the pool? Do you mind?
Yeah, of course, I will.
It's not very nice behind you.
Yeah, you want the greenery as well.
Hang on. Out there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
My name's Ivy and this is Dusit Grand Park.
Yeah. Okay. Go.
Hello, my name's Ivy Griffiths and this is Dusit Grand Park.
Okay. Right. That'll do.